Hi, this is Stux. Welcome to my Nigeria vlog. So I'm visiting Nigeria again after 3 years, and I'll be showing you some things I did and places I visited. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. First, I would like to say this area night view of Lagos is beautiful. And the first thing on my list on getting to Nigeria was to attend an Owambe party. Owambe is the classic name for a Yoruba party, and I got the opportunity to attend an engagement party at that. Special thanks to Cynthia for the invite.
English language, they used to shake each other, but because these are our in-law, we can't shake them like that. Give head according to the way I'm doing it. Do you understand that, dear mommy? Say after me, ladies and gentlemen. You have to greet them in English right about now. After now, say good morning, sirs. Good morning, sirs. Oh, good afternoon, sirs. Good afternoon, mass. Good afternoon, families. Good afternoon, well wishers. Good afternoon, housewives. Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, the moderator. And according to Edo, Esako. They go answer you, our in-law, we may beg you, if you give us permission, maybe we go. Again, our in-law, oh yeah, we may beg you, if you give us permission, maybe we go. Thank you so much.
Next was visiting a correct hair institute because my hair needed a professional touch and a rebound. I made a total of 3 visits here. First, my hair was examined and treatments were recommended, out of which was dead follicle treatment, deep conditioning, and corrective relaxed treatment. If you are in Lagos or you are planning to visit soon, ensure you visit Natural Gentle Touch. They specializes in all kinds of hair, natural, relaxed, and their service is top-notch and affordable. Debonairs pizza left a lasting impression during my last visit, so I decided to see if they are still worth the hype. Are you a fan of Debonairs pizza? Let me know in the comment section. As a cinema lover, I visited quite a few cinemas during my stay, one of which was the Ozone Cinema at Ikeja City Mall. Next is the Leke Conservation Center. This is a 190-acre natural resource conservation in Leke, Lagos, Nigeria, and is a must visit for everyone, both locals and visitors. This conservation center has a canopy walk, which is the longest in Africa. The walkway is 401 meters long and 22.5 meters high at its peak. Hi fams, we're out today and we're at Leke Conservation Center. Walk with us. Say hi. Hi, 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 hi. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. For me, the canopy walk was the highlight of the day. It's fun and a nice thing to do if you're in Lagos. So ensure you include it in your must-do list in Lagos. And just after the canopy walk is an open area with some nice bedroom, nice music. This is a game arena and a suitable spot for rest and picnic. Also included in this vlog was a visit to Nik Art Gallery. This gallery is said to be one of the largest in Africa, featuring over 2,500 pieces of artwork. This place is owned by the Nigerian artist Nik and it showcases a large collection of both traditional and contemporary Nigerian arts. Aside viewing the stunning artwork, you can also purchase unique paintings, sculptures, and textiles. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Tox, and on this channel I upload yummy meal recipes, healthy drink recipes, travel vlogs, and some other interesting vlogs. So ensure you subscribe and click notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. So which of these places interest you the most and which will you be visiting next? Let me know in the comment section. This is a reminder to my fellow Nigerians abroad to visit home, visit Nigeria. You deserve to have that fun, reconnect with your loved ones, recharge and refuel. What is a visit to Nigeria without surprise visits and hangouts? I'll be leaving some clips I made with my friends and placing adverts on what they do and the kind of services they offer. So ensure you engage them if you are in need of their services or for further inquiries, as their next client or customer might be you.
Good evening, all. I have a very good news for you. I don't know if you're probably looking for where to invest in and you're scared of who to invest with. Let me introduce to you Bliss Property. Now, Bliss Property is a brainchild of people who feel they have more to offer to the young ones in terms of helping them secure lands and property. Now, we currently at the moment have two products, Bliss Harvest and Bliss Estate. But before the end of the year, we would have like 6 or 7 of the same thing replicated across the country. But currently we are based in Ibadan. Now, for the first one, which is the Bliss Estate, is a residential estate and it's somewhere along that familiar with Ibadan. The second one is what we call the Bliss Harvest. Now, the idea behind the Bliss Harvest is something unique. People buy land and keep to appreciate, but we felt, why buy land and leave it to appreciate when you can buy and make money from it? Hence, the vision behind the Bliss Harvest. Now, what we're doing is you will buy land from us, then farm on it, do agriculture on it. Of course, it could be either crop, farming, it could be animal husbandry, or whatever you have in mind. But the idea is that Don't leave your land lying fallow. You can make money from it while your land appreciates. That is just a summary of Bliss service. You buy a plot of land, you could buy 5, 6. We have like a 120 plots available for now. So you could get your own piece of land and do your farming on it. But the ambition is much more bigger than just farming. But let me just hint you on it. We intend to have a home away from home, a resort center where you can come to and have fun with your children, with your kids. Of course, we would have animals boundary by the side. We would have vets who would come around. A resort kind of that's a long-term vision. But for now, why the land appreciate? Be a partner with us. Come and partner with us. Come with your vision. We would sit down, we would discuss, and we would see how best to advise you on the suitable agricultural practice you can do. Hurry now while the price is still very, very friendly. Thank you.
Hi guys, so my name is Victor, CEO Taribes Foods. Yes, and at Taribes Foods we make good meals, healthy meals, and yes, they are always fresh. We also make the best small chops in the city of Bayelsa, and you can actually patronize us wherever you are. Check us out online on all social media platforms at Taribes Foods. Follow, like our videos, and we'll be there to take your orders. Yes, don't forget to refer our services, and also tell someone about Taribes Food wherever you are. Yeah, we are going global, so yes, you can come with us as we serve you always healthy meals. Yes, this is Taribes Foods.
Guys, it's nice seeing Tari again, and Tari have been here with me 80% of my time in Lagos. We've been cruising together. And Tari, how is your stay in Lagos this time around?
My stay has been wonderful. Yeah, I've enjoyed my stay, and I really can't find the right word to actually qualify my stay in Lagos. I'm so happy to see my friend. It's been years, and yes, we've been bonding after all these years, and we've actually visited lots of places, and trust me, we've had fun. Yeah, we've had fun generally, and I can't wait for us to do this again in a bigger way. Yeah, going around town, going everywhere. Yeah, so yeah, that's it.
Guys, I'm missing Tari already. Oh.
Hi guys. Okay, my name is Nola. So I'm a cybersecurity professional, and I'm so happy to see Tola today. Like, I've not seen Tola since 2010. Yes, 2010. I'm so happy. Like, I added weight, and then Tola also added weight because we're very skinny back in the days. And a big balance. But now look at us. I think a big girl, yes. So you guys should come to Nigeria, come and visit us. When you come to Nigeria, call me on the phone. I'll take you go around Lagos.
Okay, this is the last friend of Crafted of Cycling. It's good to see my sister again after so many years, and I'm happy to see that her bum has matured. And I hope to see her very soon, and I'm excited to see her.
So my friend is an entrepreneur and she's an interior designer. Can you tell us what you do?
Yes, make throw pillows, make sofas, bean bags, and teddy bears, and all the things that makes your space beautiful. Yeah. Find us on Instagram at Crafted of Cycling. Patronize, come and buy what to sell, in bulk, wholesales and retail. We're also into interior design. We want to decorate, we want to furnish your new home. We're available for you all the time.
So my friend is just a DM away. Give your space that beauty. It's lit.
Yes, ciao.
Lastly, I would like to comment on the new Lagos International Airport Terminal 2. It's very beautiful. And that will be all for today. Do not forget to like the video, share, and comment.